Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. Why do we celebrate Valentine's Day? Is it just about chocolates, roses, and love letters? Or is there a secret story behind it? Let me take you back in time to the legend of Saint Valentine. A long time ago, in ancient Rome, there was a kind and brave man named Valentine. But he wasn't just any man. He was a priest who believed in love and kindness. At that time, the Emperor, Claudius II, had a strange rule. Young men weren't allowed to get married. He thought that if soldiers had families, they wouldn't fight as hard in battles. But Valentine thought this rule was unfair. He believed that love is the strongest thing in the world. So, in secret, he helped young couples get married, even though it was against the law. For a while, Valentine kept love alive in Rome by helping couples in secret. But one day, the emperor found out. Valentine was arrested and thrown into prison. Even while in jail, Valentine never stopped believing in love and kindness. The guards were amazed by how gentle and kind he was. One of the guards had a blind daughter, and Valentine would talk to her every day, making her smile. Before Valentine was taken away, he left a secret letter for the girl. At the bottom, he signed it, "From your Valentine." That's why today, we send love letters and cards to the people we care about on Valentine's Day. Many years later, people never forgot Valentine's kindness. So every year on February 14th, we celebrate Valentine's Day, a day to show love, friendship, and kindness to the special people in our lives. Did you know over 145 million Valentine's Day cards are sent every year? And that roses became the symbol of love because people used to bring flowers to St. Valentine's grave. Who's your Valentine? Valentine's Day isn't just about couples. It's about showing love to anyone special in your life. Your best friend, your parents, your teacher, or even your pet. So, who would you give a Valentine to this year? Bye for now. See you next time.